Hello guys, Washerlad 2014 here, right, I'm visiting my old work again, and look what I have found. It's a Hotpoint Aquarius 1100 washer dryer, Aquarius Wash System Plus WD61, which is exactly the same machine that I filmed at the Laundry Centresa. So there's your drawer, all your programs, economy option, super rinse, your drying time, most cottons, 120 minutes, 90, 60 and 30 minutes. There's synthetic straw as well, with the same minutes. There's all your programs, wash programs. I'm just going to turn it to an off position quickly. There's your on and off button. There's the heat shield and the door. And you don't notice on the GEC Hotpoint washer dryers that the seal is actually much bigger. There's the dryer duct there. Let's turn the drum, see if it has an FHP or a GEC. Well, that's definitely FHP. And the Laundry Centresa WD61 also had a FHP motor to it. There's a serial number if anyone wants to date that. Yep. Anyway, this was a Hotpoint WD61. I'll see you guys another time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you another time. Goodbye.